Okay, Michaela, look, Michaela, I just want to be with you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. And I know you're only 16 years old, and me and you, we go to the same Catholic church. And I'm also expressing in this video. But I just want to tell you, I'm gonna drop a track in this video. But before I drop the track, I just want to um show you something. So Michaela, thus I bought you thus a 5 store. I bought you a 5 store, and also I bought you a a monster. If you drink this, I, I don't know if you do drink it, but I drink it and I love this. And also, I also drink switches a lot. You can ask Keelan also, but listen to this. Okay, Tala, ik ga niet, ik ga niet. Oh, mm, oh.